As the mayor of Mission Viejo, I'm very active around the community. I'm going to social events, breakfasts, dinners, Rotary Club meetings, and I stay on track because of SoulScale. They tell me and give me some ideas what to eat at these events and what not to eat. Instead of having maybe a martini, it's a glass of water. Instead of having some rich, thick type of food, it's maybe some finger foods. So SoulScale, I come in here and talk to them, and they keep me on track to keep my weight where I want it to be. The purpose I started SoulScale was I met this gentleman who owned SoulScale at a chamber event. He was telling me, and I was concerned, I was always putting on a few extra pounds. And he told me if I had the right diet and I had the right program, I was able to shed some of that fat and look better. And as the mayor of Mission Viejo and as a public figure, I always want to look my best when I'm out in public. Like, the reason I came to SoulScale is all my life I've been very healthy. I was a Marine for 30 years. I kept myself in top physical condition. And then as you get a little bit older out of the service, you start putting on a few pounds. And I wasn't happy the way I was looking. So I came to SoulScale to make myself look better. I want to get into politics. I want to present myself to the public, and I want to look good. My advice to someone who wants to try SoulScale would be this. It's not that hard. They have some great food. You lose the weight, you gain muscle mass, and you look better. And it's very simple. And the weight comes off quickly. I would tell someone to try SoulScale because it's a group of people here at SoulScale that are very understanding to your needs. They understand your lifestyle. They learn about you to start with. They want to know your lifestyle and how to lose weight. And it's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. They make you very comfortable. They give you a regimen on what to do. And you come back once a week and they measure how you're doing. And it's actually really enjoyable.